So I've just finished putting this hose on. There's a clip down there, there's a clip just in under there. The hose runs down through there and up. I've just got to put the cab down now and reconnect them up the front there. So I just thought when I was doing this job, I thought everybody sees my like glamorous lifestyle with my motorhome. I thought I'd show you what I do in the week. And I'm just on the edge of the 303. He is actually in a lay-by, this truck, so it's not so bad. I'm off the road, but it's like still really busy with like trucks thundering down this road. But the sun's out. It could... Yeah, the sun is out, but it's pretty sketchy. You see the cars like flying down through. Ah, let's get out of this thing. Whoa. So yeah, there's the truck. There's the traffic going by. Yeah, well, that worked for a blown hose there. Get on bike, lovely. Look, there he is. That's how tight the gap is. That's how tight the gap is. It's lovely. There you go. He's away in the lay-by. Last Jubilee clip. Wow. So then back down with the cab, fill her up with coolant, and we'll be away. I'll give you a time check in a minute. Yeah, just for the record, it's 5:10 on a Tuesday night on the 303 in Westminster bypass. So just got to get the cab down, get the oil, get the coolant back in, and we'll be hightailing it back to Devon. This is Somerset. Hello. Yeah, so just for the record, this guy has probably got about 28 tons of flour in the back of his powder tanker here on the side of the road, and basically that's going into some Cornish pasties probably by tomorrow night. That'll probably be made into pasties and probably be on in shops in probably London by the weekend. So if you're watching this in London, think of us getting your pasty on the shelf. It's funny, I was just checking out, there is a litter bin in this lay-by, but people still throw rubbish right down in the forest, in the woods on the side of the road. That is so bad. There is actually a huge litter bin just the other side of that bollard, but it's so bad. Yeah, just approaching about 5:30 I think, so I'm going home for my tea. Literally, let's get the hell out of here. 5:30, Tuesday night, 303. Ilminster bypass, Somerset. See you later. And if by magic he's back home in his motorhome. What an interesting day. Anyway, tonight I was when I get out on the road, I start like the old brain starts ticking away. What can we be doing? I've got so many things going on, it's unbelievable. But anyway, yeah, so tonight we had a little problem with one of these roof sky blinds, these plastic bits up here. We had this one in the center and it keeps dropping down, so yeah, we've got another one ordered. They're supposed to be like getting one for us, and it's been a bit like, ah, well, you know, warranty claim and all the rest of it. But at the end of the day, what it's all about is I don't know if anybody else has had this problem, and it's funny because, you know, it's just one of those things again where, you know, we were looking at them new motorhomes the weekend, and these roof hatches are exactly the same in these £130,000 motorhomes and stuff. You know, it's absolutely no different whatsoever. And the problem we've got is these little plastic, these little metal clips just don't seem to be holding it in the profile up on the roof, which is screwed to the roof. So I'm going to just see what I can do here. I just wanted to try and pack these out a little bit, and yeah, it's just all a bit like it. Yeah, just having a bit of a look at it, and in the center part there's a place there with no clip. There's one clip there, one clip there, one clip there. So I'm just wondering whether to move these clips out to that edge. Maybe they need to be like further out to hold the corners. It's exactly the same on that edge as well over there. Oh, that's the one I've just moved. I've just literally just moved that one out to that edge. and then there's the one in the center, and there's another one there which I'm going to just flip that off as well, I think, and I'm going to move it out to about there, I think. Let's see what happens there, because on the plastic profile of the roof, let's just have a look. It's a bit awkward to see it actually, it's a bit dark in here, but so the clips will go in that profile, and they probably will sit in that profile as well now. But also I've got some tape, I've got some tiny slither of this double-sided tape, so it's got the green backing on at the moment, so I'm just going to cut out a couple of little pieces and put over there, just trying to hold that in. Yeah, so that's now got that little slither of double-sided tape. I've just sandwiched it over the metal clip, so I'm hoping I've done 3 here on the front, and I've done a couple on the back end. So I'm going to try that, and we'll see how that goes. It just makes it a little bit fatter to go in the profile on the roof. It's just one of them little jobs that it's kind of annoying. It's loose. You try and pull the blind and it comes loose. It gets a bit frustrating after a while. And yeah, it's one of them little jobs that we can probably overcome. So we'll see how that feels now. Yeah, so I've located it. Give it a good press around. That does actually feel tighter already. It actually does feel tighter, so we'll see how that goes. That feels good, that feels good. So that could be a good job done. Brilliant, not too bad at all. Right, the second bit of excitement today. How many bits of excitement have I got for today? Well, I've got 2 exciting bits that have today to arrive today, and this first little exciting piece of kit is, I don't know if you can read that on there, it's Poweroak, and they've sent us a beautiful little bag to put our power pack in, although it's not a Poweroak or a Jackery, it's a Total Cool power pack, the one that we've been showing you guys. So, but anyway, there's this Poweroak bag. I'm loving it. I'll tell you what, it's just absolutely. It's like a lined bag. They've got. I don't know what. Anybody else got one of these things? One of these bags. It's like a waterproof. What's that? Well, it's just looks like a boot bag. Like a boot bag. You put your Poweroak in there. Unless I don't know. Maybe it goes in there. I don't know. Anybody who's got something like this, let us know, will you? What are we going to use that for? I don't know. My brain's fried today. But now, so basically, got an amazing little bag. I've got my Total Cool power pack over here, like that, look. And to just give you some idea of what size it is, will it go like? It'll nearly fit in that way, actually. Just having a, oh, better not turn it on, turn it off. But yeah, we just wanted a little bag for it to go in, and yeah, I think it's going to do the job. Keep it all protected and stuff. But there he is. I don't know whether it goes around that way or that way. It doesn't really matter really. But I think what I might do is put it round that way with the face against there. Got me light and everything. But yeah, so what we're going to try and do is then we got all our leads. Yeah, so I've still got all the leads and stuff in this like cardboard box at the moment, keeping it all together. But I think what I'm going to possibly try and do, so that will actually sort of pop in there at the moment, but I'm probably thinking I might get some little small plastic box, some little food storage box or something like that. I'll see what I've got booting around actually. Have a rummage around my missus's kitchen and see what she's got spare without telling her. No, yeah, so I'm thinking about getting another little box in there, and then I can keep all my leads in the bag and keep it all together. And it's so it zips up round the top, look. Zips up round the top. You know me, I can't operate a camera and a Poweroak storage bag at the same time, so I'll cut. There we are, so we've got the zippers coming around there, look, just together. Nice little chrome, it's darn good quality, this bag, I must admit. And they've got some little places in there, look, to put your little bits and bobs and some nets on the end.
storage compartments, and yeah, and then it's got this look, so there's the power unit in there, the total, and yeah, all strapped together handle. Look at that, and it's got even a shoulder bag, so I think you can strap that together if you want to, and then use the shoulder bag if you want to lurp it off down the beach. That's well good, well chuffed for that one. So yeah, that's the next little project, is find myself a little container for all them leads to go in, and then we can keep it all together. And what we're doing in our van, we've got a little, yeah, so just under the table, got my little Nycor torch out now, look, having a little play. And yeah, just under our table, we've got this little compartment under the little lounge seat, and it will just fit in there absolutely fantastic. So that's the order of the day for that one. Get it tucked away in there, and yeah, so proper smart. Loving that. Poweroak. Yeah, so there he is, sat in there, snug as a bug in a rug. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, so the other little bit that I wanted to show you guys tonight, and we said we was going to order one up, was the new board Atlas. So I say like new, it's this year. So new 2021. So yeah, probably not getting the full use out of it, but hey ho for the year. But we're lagging a bit, and you know what it's been like. But anyway, yeah. So many thanks to Vicaris Media. And they've sent us this this book, and basically, yeah, they've given us a couple of little cards here. Like, so tear and share to help friends prepare, and it shows you all their guidebooks on here, all the books you need. Anybody that wants any info of going over the water, check these guys out, because they've got it sorted. They've got all the books. So there's our little bookmarker. And there is the there's the new book, which I'm absolutely ecstatic about. This one that we've got, and from the book I showed you, I think it was up to 5,200, something like that, maybe the old one from 2013. To be honest, I was thinking about it. I think I might have had one in between this. It's been a few years now, so anyway, I'm well chuffed. I'm right up to date, got the latest one, and it has rocketed up with the amount of Platz that this directory shows. You know, 6,800 Platz, you know, it's amazing. And yeah, so I haven't actually opened this yet. This is gonna be my bedtime reading. My bedtime reading. How sad am I? Now I'd love it. But yeah, I absolutely love my board Atlas, Germany. I'm just gonna, because we did have a look through the other day. Look, this is down around Frankfurt and stuff, a bit further down, right out on the Austrian border. And where this is the Stuttgart area, great area. Yeah, chatting to the girl at the South Downs Burstner event, where they bring the German people bring the vans over and do the expo at the dealership. So we were talking to the girl, and she was from down Baden, was having a good old chat to her about Baden, Munich. Yeah, loving it. Absolutely. East Germany, a bit more detailed around the, oh, so this is more detailed around the Mosel. So if you're planning a trip down the Mosel River, great. We've been down here in the winter time. It's amazing. We went down here on a Halloween trip, and there's some great little stops down there. And yeah, so all down the Mosel, Coachum, right down to Trier. Let's go on a little bit further. What I wanted to do was probably show you. I'm always I'm showing people through my board Atlas all the time. But yeah, basically, here we go. Look at these incredible places, and it tells you. Oh, look at that. So straight away, the green one is free. Maximum of 10 meters. And yeah, just absolutely loads and loads of beautiful stopovers by lakes, And so many, I love Germany. Germany is immense for camper vans, motorhomes. They call them, in Germany, we've come across so many of these huge, great motorhomes and stuff, and they call them land yachts. And you can see why. That, yeah, they're just prepped up for it. Beautiful places. Motorhomes all over Germany, look at that. And in this, so you get one, that's your German directory, and then what happens is you get a secondary directory, and I think they're doing an app as well to go on your phone now. But I do like me, but this one here is all over Europe then. They do another little directory, Peggy Peg. We love Peggy Peg, all the adverts and stuff, so it gives you plenty of ideas. So yeah, Austria, all the way through. What we got the Netherlands, Lithuania, Italian, Platz, all the way through Croatia, Hungary, Greece, France, big section on France, look, loads of camper stops in France, Spain, Denmark, Switzerland, Belgium, Austria. So what an incredible 20 quid. They do, we've seen them in camper shops. I did see the, where did I see it? Is it on here somewhere? Actually, you can buy them in Germany. So yeah, on there, look, that's what you would get. It comes in a pack, it's all wrapped up. €27.90 in Germany, in the camper shop in Germany. So if you see one, if you're going over, if you're prepping a trip and you're not sure, get one before you go. If you're fancy just getting over and having a rake around using other apps and stuff, but if you see one of these in a camper shop, €27.90, brilliant. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this one. You know me, high velocity filmmaking, so I'm going to go in and try and rip a video together now. Keep the videos flowing, keep it all sailing along nicely. Thank you very much for the subscribers that have just subscribed. Even we had a couple of subscribers subscribe today. Truly grateful. Thanks guys for supporting the channel, and we'll catch you later. Bye.